ACCRINT function is used to calculate returns of the accrued interest for security that pays periodic interest. This is a formula for calculate returns of the accrued interest for a security. This is a function for calculate returns of the accrued interest for a security in MS Excel.
Detail, issue required. The security's issue date. First underscore interest required. The security's first interest date. Settlement required. The security's settlement date. The security settlement date is the date after the issue date when the security is traded to the buyer. Rate required. The security's annual coupon rate. Par required. The security's par value. If you omit par, ACCRINT uses $10,000. Frequency required. The number of coupon payments per year. For annual payments, frequency equals 1, for semi-annual, frequency equals 2, for quarterly, frequency equals 4. Basis optional. The type of day count basis to use. Here you can segregate description. Make sure issue date, first interest date, and settlement date should be in date format. Now we can apply ACCRINT function. And ACCRINTM function.